All right, guys, well, here's the cave. Made it up to it. Pretty huge. What was really cool is there's this wild bee nest right there at the top of the cave, functioning. Looks like they might have died off a little bit last winter, but they're doing all right now. They're definitely warming up with each other. But I just thought that was so cool. Just out here on the cliffs. Amazing, beautiful, wild bee nest. You gotta go pretty far away, it seems like, to see stuff like this. It's really cool. Anyways.